Hi, I'm Dr. Altmann. The timeout is an effective way to discipline children. It gives both the child and the parent a chance to decompress from a stressful event. Choose your timeouts wisely or they won't work. It's best to arrange your house and routine so you don't need too many timeouts. For example, don't use a timeout when your child picks up the remote control. Simply keep the remote control out of reach and choose one behavior at a time to work on, such as hitting a sibling. That deserves a timeout. The perfect timeout works like this. Teach your child that if she does something that you tell her not to, you'll give her a warning and a slow count to 3. Counting gives her a chance to stop what she's doing and correct her behavior. You can give a warning at 1 and another at 2. At 3, the timeout starts. Have a designated timeout spot. Make it a place with no distractions. It should be a boring place where your child won't want to be. Keep her there for a minute for each year of her age. A 4-year-old gets 4 minutes, and so on. After your child serves her time, explain why what she did was unacceptable and ask if she understands. But don't make it a lecture, just state the facts. If you make timeouts a habit that your child doesn't like, she'll change the habit that got her there in the first place. And don't forget to praise good behavior often and be a role model of good behavior yourself. I'm Dr. Altmann. For more ways to raise happy, healthy kids, check out all our smart tips right here.